Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and edit a Reddit comment. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So as you can see, I have Markiplier's wedding beautiful photos in front of me, and I have just commented on this post right over here. Now, in order for me to go ahead and edit this comment, if, for example, if there was a typo, or for example, if this is not what I wanted to write, I wanted to write something longer, I can go ahead and add on to it or even just edit it. So in order for you to go ahead and do that, click on this triple dot icon and click on this edit comment button. Once you've done that, you can write whatever you want. So for example, Markiplier was my childhood. Looking at this makes me happy. And simply go ahead and click on save edits, and there you go. Voila. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.